My lecture was about decision-making in couples. In the last 10 years, I've been working on a non-cooperative model of interaction of spouses in the household, in which I study attribution of authority, decision-making, communication and reputation dynamics. I focus my lecture on the link between theoretical work and empirical work. And my empirical work is a combination of lab in the field that I've developed myself with co-authors and RCTs that again were run in developing countries with co-authors. So I presented 3 projects, one on attribution of authority in couples, both in France, Belgium and Benin, and then a project on reputation dynamics in household in Malawi, for which I developed 3 experimental games in the southern region of Malawi, and the third work is about fertility decision and communication about maternal health risk in couples in Zambia, a country in which we ran an RCT in 2014, for which we see that giving information about maternal health costs to husband can be a very effective tool to align fertility preference and outcomes in couples in Lusaka.